all been waiting for. So, without further ado, I want to bring to the stage Ms. Hallie Steinfeld! Haley, you look amazing. I don't know how you're walking in these shoes. I don't know how you're walking in these shoes. You look fantastic. Do you want to take a spin? I've been talking to Haley about her denim game. It's been on point. You know, it's the little things in life. But nothing about your career has been little. I mean, you started off with a big bang. And you have continued, right? Now you are somehow a superhero on a multiple fronts, both with powers and without powers. Gwen Stacy, Kate Bishop, Bea, Charlie, Maddie Ross, Emily Dickinson, like I literally had to write them down. Whether animated, live action. So, for those who don't know, 65 nominations, 24 wins, spanning your work over all of your career. Actor, singer, and you're only in your mid-20s. One, I really have a lot of work to do with my life, but two, you know, you've already had what some would call a successful career. And you keep going. You know, for you, what keeps you grounded?
I would say, firstly, my family, the people around me, my support system. I'm incredibly lucky to have people around me and close to me that keep me in check and remind me that I do this because I love it, and I do it because it makes me feel like the best version of myself. And it's a big old world we live in, and it's easy to get caught up in the minutia of life itself. But I have them as a constant reminder to be true who I am, as hard as that might be at times. And yeah, I would owe it all to them.
I love that. Family is key. And you have joined a lot of amazing families, including the Marvel family. And we have inspired some most recent characters that folks are, yeah, no, you can clap, that's fine. They're so polite. Y'all are so polite to me. No, clap. And probably, it might be one of the two most cosplayed characters. And I say this as a person who judges cosplay. Okay. Kate Bishop and Gwen Stacy.
Let's go!
Okay.
Yes.
You know, how has it been, one, just entering this world that is just vibrant and brilliant and fast-paced, but also like seeing yourself cosplayed all over the place?
That part is probably one of the craziest parts. It is so wild. Again, I feel like I'm lucky enough to work on this project. There's a drive that I share with them. But yeah, I also just feel at the end of the day so lucky that I'm at all in any capacity considered to take on these types of roles. Because yeah, they're very strong, and they're not always super easy to tackle. But again, I feel like I come out on the other side more like these characters, if anything, or at least more like the parts of them that I love.
Love that.
I didn't even ask y'all how you're doing today. How's everybody doing? Hold on. I didn't too. But I will say, the little time that we spent together, I know you guys are capable of being a lot louder than that. I said, how are you guys feeling?
Hey crew lifers, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am here today to show you what I got from the San Antonio Superheroes Comic Con car shows. I'm going to turn you around and show you what I got. Sorry for the clothes in the background. So this was my pass that I got for the day. This is my another lanyard I got. So this one, on this I have all of the cards from some of the people that I really like that was there. First one's Asher Angel from Shazam. Also from Andy and Mac. I have Andrew Garfield from Amazing Spider-Man and Spider-Man No Way Home. Elizabeth Olsen, also known as Scarlet Witch. Tony Parker from Spurs. And Haley Steinfeld from Hawkeye and Bumblebee, and from Pitch Perfect. Here I have in order from Eva Poehler. Sorry, Eva. By the way, this is a shout out to Eva Poehler. She does Greek mythology books. This is actually ones that she wrote. There are a group of 9 of these, plus a version with vampires in it and some others. I got to speak to her. So Eva Poehler, if you watch this, I'm sorry for the messed up of your last name, but I'm gonna be reading these, and there are 3 of them. This is a cute little bookmark she gave me. This does have her Facebook page on it, so go check her out. And then I got this really cool 3D of Jesus in the crowd. It looks like the 1,000 on the hill. So yeah, please like, subscribe, and turn on your post notifications for more videos just like this one. And I hope y'all have a wonderful day. And also I have photos of the cars that I did get to see, and the panel for Haley Steinfeld. Sadly, I did not get to see Tony Parker. Oh, I do have an autograph for him. I'm going to take a photo and put that in the video as well.